Okay, so we have this notation. What is that funny notation? That is the Greek S called sigma. It's the Greek S, which they call sigma. So anyway, it stands for sum. It even says sum here. It means add them up. So that means you take the formula here and you start at n equals 1. You go up by 1 every time and you stop at 5. You end at 5. So I take this formula, I plug in n equals 1 to the formula 8 times 1/4 to the n minus 1. And then I plug in n equals 2, and n equals 3, and n equals 4, and n equals 5, and then I add them up. Every time plugging into the formula 8 times 1/4, in this case it'll be the 2 minus 1, and then 8 times 1/4, 8 times 1/4, 8 times 1/4, and it'll be 3, 4, 5. This one right here will be 1 minus 1. So there we go. That's good so far. So we just take that formula, 8 times 1/4 to the n minus 1, plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are we going to get? 8 times 1/4 to the, 0. 0. And do you remember anything to the 0 power is 1? Do you remember that? So that's just 8, isn't it? The next one is 8 times 1/4 to the 1. So that's just 8. Well, just hit the buttons on your calculator. You'll get 2. Next one is 8 times 1/4 to the 2. You'll get 0.5. Next one, 8 times 1/4 to the 3. I think you'll get 0.125. Let me double check that one. Make sure I'm getting that right. Yeah, okay, and then one more. We'll take 8 times 1/4 to the 4th. And I'm getting 0.03125. Okay, so I just plugged in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what do? We take all these guys, add them, right? Because that's what the Greek S stands for, sum. Add them up. So let's do it. And I'm getting 10.65625. There's our answer. 10.65625. So again, this Greek symbol here is a Greek S called sigma. Like Greek alphabet, alpha, beta. This is called sigma, just Greek S, whatever. And it just means sum. So just take this formula, plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because you start at 1, end at 5. Plug into the formula and just add those up. It means add up this formula from 1 to 5. And so there we go. The answer is 10.65625.